Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sponge Drew Water Filter, and welcome back to another video. Now, this video is gonna be a little bit different than the one that I did. Though, however, some of my videos can be different from the other times I make others. But hey, you know, I try my best to give out good content as I can. Sorry, just need a little water break. But yeah, today's video is gonna be a little bit more exciting. Today, I'm gonna be showing you from a artist like me to draw a good like drawing of SpongeBob SquarePants himself. Yes, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I have this right here. I'll show you like a little SpongeBob a little book which shows like how to like draw him and like all the stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this as a reference to make SpongeBob himself. But with that being said, let's get right into it. First, we're gonna start like with like the outline. So just like do lines like this. Now you're gonna do like this because here I'll just show you. There. So that's a good start. The reason why you do it like that, you do see if we can like get it right there. There we go. You do lines like that because the way a SpongeBob looks when he's facing toward you, notice that how like the bottom of his square is a little more narrow than the top. You can see it's more like slanted right here. You know, it's kind of hard to see, but you can tell right there. But yeah, so that's kind of like step one, is just getting basic outline. So now we're going to be putting this right here. Again, this area that I'm drawing is going to be for his pants, so we're just gonna, now don't draw too aggressively because you'll be erasing the stuff later. Yeah, that's kind of like the basic kind of like outline for SpongeBob. Next step is going to be drawing his features. Then we're gonna add like the face, hands, the shoes, and the sleeves. So yeah, we're gonna start with like his nose. Nose is gonna be right here. Then the eyes, carefully draw them right here. Best to not mess up. Get his cheeks right there. Well, no, that doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a little practice, but go. Add his teeth. Then there. Add his legs. Do it like this, so we get the basic outline of his shoes. That. Again, you know, not perfect, but you know, again, this is just a starter sketch. And his sleeves. Not the super greatest with hands, but hey, you know, practice makes perfect, as they always say. Another better pencil here. Here you go. I like here. Something like this. kind of like the base, kind of like the first start of making him. The next step was good, adding some more detail to him. So next step that I'm seeing right now is make the sponge edges wavy. Then finish SpongeBob's eyes and follow the lines to add the rest of his spongy details. So his lines, we're gonna squiggly lines here. Nice and slowly. You can make SpongeBob in any way that you want. You can make him like fully like a square. You can add more curviness to him, however you want to do. The next step, we're going to be adding his eyelashes. So SpongeBob's thick eyelashes start at the outer corners of his irises, but they show above his eyeballs, as I'm reading it right here in this book. So yeah, that's here. I'll just show it to you. Kind of like a bit of like an example right there. Focus. But yeah, we're gonna be adding more. Add his eyes now. Again, not perfect, but like I said, every artist has their failures. Nose, we're gonna like change it up a little bit. As eyelashes. There we go. We can fix this eye right here. Yeah, it's good enough. And next, we're gonna add his cheeks. Add the teeth. And then his chin right here. There we go. Now, it's looking pretty good right now. Next, we're gonna be adding his holes. Now, you can do the holes in any way. Well, you could put holes all over his body. You could only put like certain holes. But you know, in the show, he has one large hole, one small hole, large hole right here, small hole, one small hole here, one large hole, one small hole. So we're gonna go based off of that. Now you could do them in the show, they're kind of like oval shaped. Something like this. But again, you know, you can do it in your own right. So you can make them like squares, circles, triangles, stars, however you prefer to make SpongeBob. Alright, so that is done. Next, we're going to be making his clothes. that. Add a line right here. Add his tie. The colors. I'm gonna add the belt. Now you can do the belt again in any way, shape, or form. You can add like the actual like belt buckle on it, or however you prefer. There you go. I hope you guys are learning a lot from this, because I have drawn SpongeBob, over the years, and I've seen people draw him, and there's just stuff that just like, bothers me a lot. But I don't really just like take people's art and just add him to make how he looks in the show, but because that's kind of like stealing. But yeah, this is kind of like a good like look and what he looks like. All right. So now we're gonna do his right here. Be doing his legs. Let's see. We'll stop right there. The heel part in, a little shine. Again, like I said, it's not gonna be super perfect, but that is gonna be the stripes. Alright, those are the legs. Now, the arms. It's in my own hand here. Let's see, yeah, something like that. The thumb right here. Fingers. Now start erasing, accents if you want. See if I have. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry about that, folks. Truly am. I don't know what just happened. Okay, hold on. Let's fix that up, shall we? Hold on, let's just... Sorry. Did not mean to knock over my phone stand. Alright. Let me just check, nope. I know I have an eraser somewhere. Let's try this one. Everyone knew that I knocked over the phone stand. Everyone unsubscribed and left the video. Hopefully not. Alright, you know what? Let's forget it. Let's just finish this off. The other arm. And blow some of this off. And there you go. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is SpongeBob. That is how you draw your very own SpongeBob SquarePants. Now, of course, the last step would be erase all the access parts and, color him in. But if you want the specific colors, I can tell you. Tie is red, the pants are brown, of course his eyes are blue, these are green, the squiggly part like right here as I just saw, that's also green, cheek is pink, or sometimes red in the show. His cheeks are also red, kind of like a light reddish, I believe. This is blue, and this is red. His shoes, are black, and the heel part is gray. But yeah, that is it for our video today. I really, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for knocking down my phone stand. That was just on accident. Everything happens, so yeah. I need a water break from that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want me to draw like other characters, I will be more than happy to show you, and maybe I'll even draw some characters on, like, for pixel art, if you ever want to, do like pixel art work and all that. Maybe I'll show that in like another video. But yeah, that's it for our video today, guys. If you like what you see, you know the drill by now. Click the subscribe button to see future videos and get the bell so you stay notified when new videos come out. Like the video, comment, however, all the other stuff. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.